Hello friends, today we will be solving the sixth problem of our chapter correlation and regression, and again this problem also we will be solving using Karl Pearson's correlation method. So let us first take a look at the problem. Calculate correlation between two given variables using Karl Pearson's correlation method. Okay, x and y are given, the values of both of these variables are also given. For x the values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for y the values are 3, 4, 1, 5 and 7. And what we have to do, we have to calculate the correlation between the two variables using the Karl Pearson's correlation method. So let us solve the given problem. You will be making this table to enter the values which will be required in this formula. Okay, the formula for calculating the correlation using Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient method is this is the formula, and to get the values of this formula you will have to first make this table. Okay, what will be the contents of your table? You will have a column for x and y, then x multiplied by y, x square and y square. Okay, so you have to make a table like this. Once this table is done, what you will do is you will put the values of x and y in the table. Okay, so let us start the sum by putting the values of this x and y in our table. So for x, I will be writing the values. What is the value of x? First it is 2, then 3, then it's 4, 5 and 6. Okay, these are the values of x. Now let us put in the values of y. 3, 4, 1, 5 and 7. Okay, so we have put up the values of x and y. Now what we need to do is we need to calculate the values of rest of the variables, rest of the table. Okay, so first we will need to calculate the value of x and y, x multiplied by y. So x multiplied by y means 2 multiplied by 3 will give you 6, 4 multiplied by 3 will give you 12, 4 multiplied by 1 will give you 4, 5 multiplied by 5 will give you 25, 6 multiplied by 7 will give you 42. Okay, so we have calculated the values of x multiplied by y. Now the next step which you will be doing is calculating x square and y square. So for x square it will be 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. Okay, so we have calculated the value of x square. Next we will be calculating the value of y square. Okay, so y square, 3 square is 9, then 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, and 7 square is 49. Now we have calculated all the values of the table. Now we just need to take the total of all these columns. Okay, we just need to take the total of all this column, and we'll be calling each total as like this. This will be called as summation of x, this will be called as summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x square and summation of y square. Okay, so quickly we'll just calculate all these values. Just open calculator, okay, and start taking the values of all these columns. First will be x. For x it will be 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It will give you a total of how much? It gives you total of 15. Okay, it will give us a total of, sorry, not 15, it will give us a total of 20. Next, for y, again 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7. It will again give 4 plus 3 7, 7 7 14, 14 and 6 20. It will again give a total of 20. Then for x and y, now here we'll need a calculator. So open up your calculators and start adding up the values. 6 plus 12 plus 4 plus 25 plus 42 gives us 89. So total is 89. Then for x square, again you will take 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36. It will give you a total of 90. So 90. And finally total of y square, 9 plus 16 plus 1 plus 25 plus 49. It will give you 100. Okay, so I'll write down 100 over here. Okay, so now we have calculated all the totals and we have got the figures for summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x square and summation of y square. Now we will just need to put up these values in the table. Okay, this table, not the table, we'll just put up these values in the formula, this formula, and once we put these values in the formula, then we will get the answer. Okay, so let us solve this formula now. So we'll start off by the value of n. Okay, what is the value of n? N is nothing but number of observations, Okay, what are the number of observations? Just let us take the total. How many observations? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the value of n will be 5. 5 multiplied by summation of xy. Okay, so what is the summation of xy? What is it? It's 89. So 5 multiplied by 89 minus summation of x. Summation of x, it's 20 multiplied by summation of y. Summation of y, again it's 20. Okay, so this is the numerator part. Next we will solve for, put up the values of denominator, square root, and n means 5 multiplied by summation of x square. Summation of x square is 90. 5 multiplied by 90. Okay, 5 multiplied by 90 minus summation of x square. Now this is nothing but summation of this, the square root square of this. So it will be 20 square. Next square root will be for y. Okay, same we will do 5 multiplied by summation of y square. Summation of y square is 100 minus y square. Summation of y square into whole bracket means this one. Again it will be 20 square. Okay, so now one by one we will solve this. So first will be 5 multiplied by 89, which will give us 445. 445 minus 20 multiplied by 20. 20 multiplied by 20, 400. Okay, so 400. Root of 590 means 450 minus 400. Okay, 450 minus 400, and this will be multiplied by 5 into 100 means 500 minus 400. Okay, so how much it comes? 445 minus 400 will give us 45, and here we will have square root of 50 multiplied by square root of 100. Okay, now you just take calculator and take out the square root of 50. Okay, so square root of 50 comes to 7.07. So 45 divided by 7.07 multiplied by, now calculate the square root of 100, simple, 10. Take a multiplication, 45 upon 7.07 into 100, which will give us 70.7. On further solving, you will get the final answer. So 45 divided by 70.7 gives us 0.63. So value of R is equal to 0.63. It's a positive correlation and the degree is 0.63. Okay, so this brings us to the end of our problem. In the next problem, we will be solving a certain other method, assumed mean method, for calculating the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. We will be studying the formula for assumed mean method and then also solving a practical problem relating to the same.